So the fifth question was ln x minus 3 plus ln x minus 2 is equal to ln 2x plus 4, correct? Okay.
Plus
This is
4.
sorry, plus 24.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. So this is a multiplication.
And then that ln I'll take it out.
So here x square minus 5x
Plus 6.
plus 6. So minus 18 aega na? 20. So, wait, I'll keep it. I'll take every step. Okay. 2x plus 24. Okay.
Okay, I got my mistake.
X square minus 7x minus 18 is equal to 0. So this is minus 9 plus 2. So x minus 9, x plus 2 is equal to 0, correct? So x is equal to 9 and x is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 nahi ho sakta, I guess. Nahi. Minus 2 is not possible. So x is equal to 9 is the answer. It's easy, no? But made a mistake, is it?
Yeah, that minus 5 plus 2x I did instead of minus 2x.
Okay, the next question. Okay. So which is the correct order? And they're asking like this. Okay. So if you observe it, only 2, E, and 3 and 8 is there. Hai na?
So you can take it as log D2.
So I have taken, so I can take all, there are only 3 numbers, there are 4 numbers they're asking. So I can change the base to D like this, correct? And I can change, this is E, then I can change, this is 3, and next is 8. Now, you know, since D is greater than 1, since D is greater than 1, you know, this is this value. Log 2 will be less than, because this is 2.71 E value. So the next value is E. Then it is 3. Then it is. As the number increases, the value also increases because D base is greater than 1. This you understood how I wrote?
Yeah.
So usko reciprocal will be ulta. Correct? So who will be the biggest? This will be the biggest. And when you take the reciprocal, you can write it. You know how to write it. Log t to the base 2 will be greater than log t to the base e will be greater than log d. This is d only. Sorry. And this is also d. My mistake. My mistake. So 3 greater than log d to the base 8. So which is that option?
Here, B.
2e3 b1 na? B wala. Clear the logic?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Very good. Okay. Now I told you I will tell one more method using vectors and then we will do that. Okay. Cos A plus B wala. You can think about through vectors. Vectors, you know dot product, na? So suppose if there is a vector A and there is a vector B. Okay. And this angle is A. This angle is I cannot keep the vector A. I'll keep it something else. V1, V2. Okay. Now, V1, just tell me if you know this, okay? If you understood this, because this is physics. And yeah, you will have it in now also in 12th also vectors. So magnitude into, when you resolve it, it comes, one comes cos A here, sin A. So it will be cos A I cap plus sin A j cap. ये पता है? I'm resolving the vector. So magnitude into, this will be cos A, V1 cos A, and this will be magnitude V1 sin B, which is upward. So this is I cap, the positive x direction, j cap, positive y direction. Like that, V2 vector, how will you write? V2 magnitude, cos B will be in the positive x direction, sin B wala will be in the negative y direction. It will be cos B I cap minus sin B j cap. ये clear है? Okay. Now I'm taking V1 dot V2. Now you know that dot product is basically the product of the magnitude into cos of the angle between the two vectors. So V1. You started vectors in 12th, Max? Okay. Now then it's easy for you. Then you can relate. Okay. ये किया. Now यहाँ पे dot product करेंगे तो the first this two will add up, multiply up. Sorry. The magnitudes will multiply. Okay. Now the two vectors, when you multiply, you will just multiply this two and this two separately. All the i's you will separate, multiply. So what is it? Cos A, cos B, and sin A into sin B will be minus sin A. So ये cancel हो गया. So you got the answers. So using vector also you can do sin A plus B, वो cross product आएगा. I'm not going into that. So you can prove it using vectors also. Clear है? You want to take this down?
Okay.
I'll give you the next basic test. Huh? The next basic test of logarithm.
Okay.
So logarithm basic करेंगे, then I'll give Prilipko का logarithm inequalities. Now logarithm is easy, na? But good questions are coming.
Okay. Yeah.
Done? Okay. Now, next is tan A plus B. I can write it as sin A plus B by cos A plus B. Why not? Okay. Then this you know it as sin A cos B plus cos A sin B divided by cos A, you can write it, cos A plus B, you can write cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay. Okay. Now what you do is you divide the entire thing by cos A cos B. Entire thing. I divide this by cos A cos B. I divide this by cos A, this, everything. Okay. So can you do it mentally or should I show you? What will happen if I divide this by cos A cos B? Cos B cos B will cancel. Sin A by cos A, tan A. I hope you understood. Plus. Now, this if I divide by this, what will cancel? Cos A cos A. Sin B by cos B?
Tan B.
Tan B.
1 minus.
This will be 1 only. So 1 minus.
Tan B.
This will be, this becomes tan A, this becomes tan B. Okay. So you might have studied, I think, this formula. You remember? Yeah. Tan A plus B. Okay. Now you have to remember. Tan A plus B is tan A. So it's very easy actually. Product, the sum divided by 1 minus product. Okay. So you can guess. What will be a minus b? A
Tan
minus b
minus tan b,
को
1
minus
plus
b
tan a
minus
tan
b
b.
डालेंगे, minus b. So tan a,
Minus tan b,
correct,
1 plus tan a tan b.
correct. Because here it becomes minus and here it becomes minus. This will come outside, this will come outside. Minus minus, this becomes plus, this will remain minus. Okay. So these two you should remember.
Should I write this?
Yeah, wait, before that. You should also remember cot a plus b. Sometimes it will help, but I have a method for it. So you just remember the method. You know tan a plus b, tan a minus b, cot a plus b, you will get it easily. So what I do is, listen, what I do is, I take the reciprocal and mirror. Okay, mirror image. I take the reciprocal and mirror image. You'll understand what I mean by that. Mirror image. So, abhi reciprocal ऊपर आ गया. Okay, and all the tans will be into cot. Okay, all the tans will go into cot. Okay, तो ये ऊपर आ गया. Okay, now this 1 minus cot A cot B का mirror image क्या आएगा? ऐसे flip. How it will look like?
Cot a cot b minus
Yeah, cot A cot B minus 1 divided by. इसका mirror image की जरूरत नहीं है because however it is addition only. It doesn't matter. So it will be, if you write cot B plus cot B plus cot A or cot A plus cot B, it doesn't matter. So I'm writing it like this. You don't have to, you need to by heart. Now, इसका भी ऐसे reciprocal and mirror image. तो ऊपर जाएगा. So this is anyway sum. So it doesn't matter how do you write it. Anyways, cot A cot B plus 1 divided by. This matters. When you go down, mirror image लेना है. So tan A minus tan B will become cot B minus cot A. You need to remember no. Reciprocal and mirror image. Clear? Write all the four, but remember tan and remember the method.
Done.
Done? Very easy question. Are you splitting it? No.
No, sine 45 cos theta plus cos 45 sine theta.
No. Don't do that. See, this is A, this is B, so this is A, this is B. So this
Oh,
is sine A, direct, it is in that form. We
oh.
just need to identify that form. See, it is in which form? Sine A minus B, direct. See, so this is how the application comes of that formula. Sine A minus B. So that is sine 45 plus theta minus 15 plus theta. ऐसे आएगा. So that is sine 30, which is half. Direct.
Okay.
It takes time. I thought, what happened? I thought you were doing the other one also.
No, I started splitting it like
Don't do it.
sine
Don't
A
do it.
plus B cos A plus B.
First, you see there is a direct formula, na? See, whenever you see sine into cos minus, then that cos into sine of the same angle interchanged.
Yeah.
Then it's always sine A plus B or A minus B, depending on what sign is in between. Sine into cos, and the A and B's are interchanged.
Yeah. Root 3 by 2, second one.
Yeah, next is root 3 by 2. Very good. So this is A, this is B, this is A, this is B. So it is cos A, cos B plus sin A, sin B, which is cos A minus B. Same thing, same 45 plus theta minus 15, 30 आएगा. This is root 3 by 2. Okay. Okay. So here I have given the clue. A and B is in first quadrant. So don't worry, all angles are positive. So they have given sine alpha is this, cos beta is this, and they're asking sine A alpha minus beta, cos alpha minus beta. So if you know sine alpha, can you get cos alpha? Yes. Either by the triangle method, otherwise, what? Sine square alpha plus cos square alpha is 1. Jo bhi hai. Either by the triangle method, otherwise they feel this is also fine. But understand alpha and beta in the first quadrant. So everything is positive. There is no one becomes negative. Negative wala case hai, we'll discuss this. One minus 9 by 25, which is 16 by 25. Okay, the cos alpha you got it as 4 by 5.
4 by 5.
Positive because it is in the first quadrant. So we'll not take the negative n. Okay. Cos beta is 9 by 41. See, sometimes it's very smart to do without that, without this also. Because 3 and 5, you know it is which triangle? You have which Pythagorean triplet? 3 sine, na? Okay. 3, 5, and 4. Pythagorean triplet hai, easy. Even this is also Pythagorean triplet. 9, 40, and 41. Okay. So cos 9 hai, so I'll put 9 down. 41 the hypotenuse. This is 40. So easy hai. What is sine beta then?
40 by 41.
40 by 51. Now you simply apply it in the formula. Sine A minus alpha minus beta is sine alpha cos beta minus sine beta cos alpha. Meaning sine beta is 41. 27 minus 160.
Oh,
Minus 133 by 205. Yeah.
I'm doing 156 by 205 cos 1.
4 by 5 into 9 by 41 plus 3 by 5 into 40. 36 plus 122. 36 plus 156, no? 156 by
205.
okay, try this. Don't take the LCM. You divide it separately and do it. There's a reason, I'll tell you. And that is the way you do it. Also, I'll write the next question.
Tan square B plus tan square C plus tan square A.
Tan square.
Mm.
Okay, what is this? Sin B
Cos C plus cos C sin B.
minus sin C cos B. Correct? Divided by cos B cos C. Okay,
Oh.
what do you get? Leave the others. Tell me this. Separately when you divide, cos C will cancel.
Tan B minus tan B. 0.
So here you get, this will cancel and this will cancel. So here you get tan B minus tan C. Correct?
Hmm.
So you're getting tan B, tan of this angle minus tan of this angle. Correct? What am I doing? I'm doing sine difference of two angles divided by cos of that two angles. Product करना है. So just predict what you get here. Pattern.
Tan C minus tan A.
Yeah, tan C minus tan A. Here what will you get?
Tan A minus tan C.
Correct. So everything will cancel out. So what do you get?
Not B.
0.
So that tan B and tan C won't cancel.
अच्छा मैंने a minus c लिखा है क्या? Oh. Okay, this is a cyclic, huh? Sorry. यहाँ पे b आना चाहिए. Okay, then you are right. Because मुझे cyclic चाहिए था. And that's why I was thinking it was cyclic. Okay. Now, I'll tell you two formulas here, which you need to remember. Why? It will come later. Almost in when we complete 60-70% of trigonometry, when we get series of trigonometry, series sequences आएगा, तब ये काम आएगा. That time remember it. Okay. So, if I tell you like this, if I make a formula now, will you remember? Sin A minus B divided by cos A cos B. You tell me. You know it
Tan
now.
A minus tan B.
You have to remember this.
Okay.
You can derive it also, वैसे, but it's good you remember it. So if that is the case, listen. Once again, I'll tell you an easy method to do because there is one more also. Sin A minus B. Instead of dividing by cos A cos B, I divide it by sin A sin B.
Cot A minus cot B.
Cot A minus B नहीं, cot B minus A आएगा.
Oh.
Okay. It will be cot B minus A. You can check it also.
Yeah.
So this, yeah, it will go in your formula book. Why? We will see it. But now since I've given a question like that, Abhi, and since it's very fresh in your head, remember it. And what the method I use is, anyway, I know that upar it is sin A minus B. When niche it becomes cos A cos B, I know it should be tan, because when I take tan A minus tan B, uska LCM क्या आएगा? Cos A cos B आएगा. Getting? Now, when it is sin A sin B, I know it should be in cot. So it will be, if we're taking A minus B, it will be B minus A here. In some textbooks, they put B minus A here and they put here. That is also correct. वैसे भी देखा जाए तो. Clear? So remember this. Okay? And you will see why. Okay, try doing this.
So both it is minus in the numerator and
Yeah, both is minus. So see, it is an A square minus B square form. Upar and niche. So what is A square minus B square? A plus B into A minus B. So I'll write tan 2 theta minus tan theta into tan 2 theta plus tan theta. Okay. Denominator is also A square minus B square. So 1 minus tan 2 theta into tan theta into 1 plus tan 2 theta into tan theta. Okay. Now from here, what will you do? Can you think anything? Anything strikes your
That
head?
one minus and that plus and that plus and minus.
Arey wah! See, you're getting the hang of it now. Good. See, this is a formula like this. Okay. So the red wala formula is what? Tan 2
Tan A
theta minus theta into
so theta
the green one is tan
3
2
theta
theta plus theta. So final answer is tan theta into tan
tan
3
3
theta.
theta.
Good. You're getting the hang now. Good. ऐसे ही करना है यार, ऐसे ही करना है बस. Clear? Okay. Now here you tell me first what will you do and then start. What will we see what you think? Let's prove that. Okay. How will you start in the first place? Seeing the numbers, कुछ idea आ रहा है?
Can I take it as tan 90 minus 10, 90 minus 30?
No. It's not 8. It's not 80. It's 16. It is 8 theta, 6 theta.
Oh,
Huh.
okay.
But yeah, it will work for 20, 60 and 80 also. But let's say it's theta. Anything?
6 theta plus 2 theta.
Okay, what happened?
8 theta minus 6 theta.
Okay. See, what I'll do is tan 8 theta, I'll write it as tan 6 theta minus tan 2 theta.
Plus.
Oh, sorry, plus. So, tan 8 theta will be tan
6 theta,
6 theta plus tan 2 theta.
1 minus tan 6 theta tan 2 theta.
Now, if you cross multiply, don't you think you'll get this? See, this part that wherever there's a multiplication of all the three, I'll bring it to the other side. And this two will go to the. That's it. You're getting. See, when you multiply, you will get tan 8 theta minus tan 8 theta into tan.
Okay.
6 theta into tan 2 theta is equal to tan 6 theta plus tan 2 theta. Okay. Now you have to just rearrange it, and I think you know how to get it. Just rearrange, you'll get this. Sometimes you'll have to think like that.
So done.
So if I ask you this question also, now you know how to do. How will you frame the equation?
3 theta is equals to 2 theta plus theta by 1 minus 2 theta into tan theta.
And don't do it, I'm just saying. Yeah. Like this. So whenever you see like this pattern, you should think, वैसे हो सकता है शायद. Okay. Try to prove this.
Hmm.
Any idea clicked?
Done.
Good.
Like it is actually tan 15 plus like that tan 15 tan 30. I can take it over there as 1 minus tan 15 tan 30, and then I can take it down. So tan 15 plus tan 30 upon 1
Like
minus
this you did?
tan 15 tan 30. Yeah, and tan 45 is 1.
Okay, good. Wait up, wait up. The entire thing was what? Tan 45 is 1.
Hmm.
Okay. So sorry. So I'll write it here as, sorry, my mistake. Tan 30 plus tan 15. And yeah, this whole thing instead of 45, I can write 30 plus 15, which is actually 1.
Hmm.
And you cross multiply, and I think you can prove this easily.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay. So like that, if I can ask anything like that, like abhi tan 36 degree plus tan 9, anything, any 2 degree whose sum is 45, I can make it up like this.
Hmm.
You can prove now. I see.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, next one.
So I'm not getting it.
What happened? Okay, listen here. What I am doing is, listen, I'm dividing it by cos 10 degree. Okay, there are many ways to do it. I'm dividing it by cos 10. So 1 minus. So it will be like when you divide cos 10, what will happen here? This is also dividing by cos 10. See, this also divided by cos 10. What is sin 10 by cos 10?
10.
Yeah. So it becomes 1 minus tan 10. Here cos 10 again it will be 1 plus again it will be tan 10. This will be the left hand side.
So
Now 1 ke badle, can I listen what I'm doing? This will help you. Comes the next formula. 1 ke badle I can write tan.
Oh.
Okay, this is what you're saying. Okay. Plus and minus. Okay. So what is 1 ke badle? I am writing tan 45. Okay. Tan 45 plus tan 10 divided by 1 minus tan 10. And I know that this is also 1. But us 1 ke badle, can I write tan 45?
Yeah.
Okay. So it comes as
40.
tan.
Tan 55. Okay.
Or you can think like this also. You could have thought there's a 10 here. So you could have split this right hand side as SI.
I was doing that, but I didn't do it as 45 plus 10. I took it as 50 plus 5 and was doing it with sine by cos.
50 का value नहीं आता ना.
Yeah.
So 45 plus 10. See, here also there's a 10. So think like that. That should immediately strike 10 and 55. For 55 comes. So you would have, when you have applied this, you could have directly got this.
Yeah.
Then you take sine by cos and you will get this. That way also is correct.
Yeah.
Okay. Now what I'm trying to tell is tan, listen, pi by 4 plus theta. Can I write it as 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta? This will calculus maybe integration maybe yaad aana chahiye. Whenever it comes 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta, you have to write tan pi by 4 plus theta. Okay. Then tan pi by 4 minus theta, it will be 1 minus tan theta by
1 plus tan theta.
You understood now? Because here it is anyway 1 and into 1. Here anyway this is 1, tan 45 is 1 and this also into 1. Okay. So this as it is, just study it. Don't worry, you will get very used to it. When 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta comes up, you will think.
Do I need to write these in the formula book?
Formula book, yes.
Okay. Yes, sir, done.
Okay. The next one you don't have to write in the formula book as such because you know it actually. If sum of two angles is pi by 2, you can write complementary. You can write like this, correct? If I take tan A into tan B, I can also write it as tan A ke badle I can write 90 minus B. Now, by reduction formula, you know tan 90 minus B is cot B. And cot is 1 by tan.
So 1.
Okay. So if the angles are complementary, then tan A, tan B is 1. Okay. This is your wish if you want to write in the formula book. But now, right now, in the notebook, you write. If A plus B is 90, pi by 2, tan A, tan B should be 1. Because it will be complementary.
Done.
Okay. Then try this. Try this. Okay. Just try both of them. I have also wait. Just wait for some time. To one. Okay. What
The
did you
first
get?
one I got 1.
Okay, good. That is because tan
Cot.
1 into tan 89 is
Cot
that.
1.
This is 1
Cot 2.
like that.
And
Tan, all this is 1.
um,
Okay. So 1 into 1. Like that, how many pairs will be there? 44 pairs will be there.
hmm,
And then tan 45
45,
is,
which is 1.
do the next one, sir. So how to do this?
That tan, I'll take it as 50 plus 20.
Tan 50
Tan
plus 20.
70.
Okay.
Huh?
So tan 50 plus tan 20. 1 minus tan 50 into tan 20. But it is coming like before. Tan 70 into tan 50 into tan 20. वो नहीं है.
Yeah. And then I took it as cot, like tan 90 minus
Oh,
20.
okay,
So
okay,
cot
okay, okay, okay.
70 and
Okay, okay. So tan 70 minus tan 70 into tan 20 into tan 50, correct? Is equal to tan 50 plus tan 20. Okay. And you took
tan.
this as 1. ऐसा क्या है क्या?
No. How did you get that?
I multiplied.
Huh?
Tan 70 I multiplied.
Huh?
Tan 70 and here also I multiplied. Tan 70 minus tan 70, all these three will get multiplied, na?
Huh? But how did you get that as 1?
अरे अभी तो सिखाया मैंने. A plus B is 90.
Oh, okay.
This also you did like this only, na?
Huh?
हाँ. So tan 70 into tan 21 है ना?
Huh?
हाँ. So
So,
tan 70 minus tan 50, then you get it. You get it. You can either do it like this, or I did it actually by taking tan 50 is 70 minus 20. Okay. But still, you'll get it. So you take minus 50 the other side, it becomes 2 times, na?
mm, okay.
2 times
Okay.
tan 50 plus tan 20. Or you can think like this. You can take it like this. Tan 50 is, listen what I'm doing. Tan 70 minus 20.
20.
So ये 70 minus tan 20 होगा by 1 minus tan 70 into tan this. नहीं, sorry, plus, हाँ. Directly you can get that one.
2.
है ना?
Huh.
Here tan 17, that's why I did it
17.
as subtraction formula.
Mm,
Where 70 and tan 17 and tan 20 का multiplication आएगा. तो वो directly 1 है.
mm,
Like that. Still,
okay.
still you will get the answer.
Done. So done.
First, you tell me what did you do with this equation?
That one I got is cos alpha plus beta is equals to 1. I took minus 1 common, and then I shifted that 1 to the other
Good,
side.
good. So I can take, you can think like this, sin alpha, yeah, good, minus cos alpha cos beta is equal to minus 1. Now you take minus 1 common, as you said, cos
Hmm.
alpha cos beta minus sin alpha
Hmm.
sin beta is equal to 1, which is cos alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Okay, good.
Hmm.
So if cos alpha plus beta is 1, then okay, anyways, first to expand this, 1 plus cos alpha sin beta divided by sin alpha
Hmm.
cos beta. So when you take the LCM, can you see like this? Sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta divided by sin
Sin
alpha cos
cos.
beta.
Hmm.
But what is this denominator, numerator?
Sin alpha plus beta.
Sin alpha plus beta into, sorry, divided by sin alpha into cos beta. Okay. But my question, if you know the cos of some angle, can you get it sine? Yes.
Hmm.
If you know the cos,
Square.
yeah. So if cos is 1, then you can find sin square plus cos square is
0.
1. Yeah. So sin square is 0. 0 का कोई negative or positive नहीं है.
Hmm.
So sin alpha plus beta has to be 0.
Hmm.
So the numerator has to be 0. So 0 by whatever is 0.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Try this.
Eh,
Did?
so 1 second.
Yeah.
So I'm not getting it.
Did you get it?
No.
Okay, I'll do it. See, I'll give you a clue. At least you can do that. I can take B as pi by 4 minus A.
Hmm.
So I'll take here, I'll do this.
Okay.
B ke badle, I'll write 1 plus. Now you know what is tan pi by 4 minus theta.
Hmm.
Substitute that and see if you're getting. Okay. What is tan pi by 4 minus theta? 1 minus
tan theta.
tan A.
1
Okay.
plus
Why?
tan theta. हाँ tan है हाँ.
When you take the LCM, I think when you add it up, you will get 1 plus tan A. 1 minus tan A divided by 1 plus tan A. ये cut गया. This also will cut. What is the
2.
answer?
2. Okay.
I hope it's clear.
Hmm.
Now we'll do certain C and D questions. Huh?
Hmm.
C and D are there, na?
Hmm.
Component and dividend. So we usually component or dividend matter when there is a theta, when theta plus 5 hai, या theta minus 5, when such cases are there and it is in the form of a ratio, or you can make it in the form of a ratio, then understand two angles. It's either in the sum or in the difference form. Then understand कि maybe or maybe not you have to use C and D. Okay. Okay. If tan A is equal to x of tan B, then prove that sine A minus B by sine A plus B is equal to x minus 1 by x plus 1. What will you do first? Any idea? Okay, listen, I'll show it now and then you will get it. I'll keep this as, can I take x is equal to tan A by tan B?
Yeah.
Okay. And that is sin A divided cos A will come down and tan B ka sin B will be upper and cos B will, sin B will be down and cos B will be upper. Correct?
Okay. Yeah.
This is x by 1. Now kuch idea aaya?
Oh. Okay.
Press
Component
and
to
D.
dividend. हाँ. And then we have to take reciprocal of both.
Yeah, मतलब alternate दो, correct. Reciprocal,
Mm-hmm.
उल्टा करना, correct.
Okay. Yes, I got it.
Getting?
Hmm.
Good. You got x plus 1 by x
Hmm.
minus 1 sin
Sin
A
A plus B by sin A minus.
cos A sin B, and this will just change the sign down, and that is the ulta of,
Plus,
okay.
yeah,
This is sin,
A
yeah, A
by
plus B by sin A minus B, and
minus
then
B.
you know what to do, just take
Huh.
reciprocal. Okay. Try doing this.
So I'm getting cos theta plus phi is equals to minus 2 cos theta minus phi.
Okay. Let me see. See, from this equation, I can write sin theta, tan theta I can write sin theta by cos theta. This I can write sin phi by cos phi.
Is equals to 1
And
by
this 3 I can bring it down.
Hmm.
1 by 3. Okay?
Hmm.
Okay. Now when I see, I can see there is a 2. And obviously I have to apply C and D.
Hmm.
Correct? So what I would do is I will take the reciprocal. It's okay if you don't do also because वो negative आएगा. थोड़ा cancel करने में थोड़ा दिक्कत है. मतलब it feels little weird. That's why. और कुछ नहीं.
Okay.
So I reciprocal it cos theta by sin theta into sin phi is equal to 3 by 1. Okay. Now can I apply C and D? Yeah. It will be cos theta. Okay, wait. It will be cos theta into cos phi plus sin theta into sin phi into sin theta written. Okay, no problem. And the reverse, the negative sign will come. Is equal to, here it is 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 1. Here it will be cos theta. 3. 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. Here it will be cos theta plus cos phi divided by cos theta
minus
cos
phi
divided by
theta plus phi.
See, it doesn't matter you put theta minus phi or phi minus theta. Cos में सब कुछ चलेगा. In what order you write the angle, it doesn't matter because cos of minus theta is cos of theta. Here it is 4 by 2, which is 2. Then I think I've got it now. Yeah. Cos theta minus phi is equal to 2 times cos theta plus. Got it?
Yep.
Here?
Yes.
Okay. So before go to the next question, I have to do one part and then we'll go to that question. Okay. Just directly take the formula. Okay. Now, what will I do? What will happen if I add these two equations? If I am adding the two equations, what will happen? These two will cancel and you will get 2 sin A sin cos B. Correct? Okay. So 2 sin A cos B. So whenever there is a 2 and there is a sin and cos ka product of two different angles. Okay. What I usually do is I'll write sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Okay, listen. Now suppose I'm subtracting. Subtracting में क्या होगा? ये minus होगा, ये plus होगा. So this will cut and this will add up. Okay. So it will become 2 cos A sin B. But can I write it sin B in cos A? No, I told you. Whenever you see a sin and cos, give preference for sin ka angle. I do like that. Okay. So sin A cos B के लिए I'll take sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So here it will be sin B plus A, well, A plus B and B plus B is same. Okay. Plus sin B minus A. But can I take the sign like this and change? So usually students study like this, but okay. I remember it as sin and cos. I directly use like then उसके पास मुझे पता है what to do. The angle change करना. Okay. So 2 sin A. It depends on which is bigger. Now you actually understand when sin A cos B comes, which is bigger you have to check. Simple. That is. If sin value is bigger, then usually it will come in this format. If cos ka angle is bigger, then usually there will be a minus here. Getting?
Why though?
What happened?
Why?
Because अभी देख ना 30 into 37, how will you write? 67 आएगा. Now 37 minus 37 direct.
Okay.
Like that.
Okay.
If you take 30 minus 37, it will be minus 7, which anyway you'll have to bring it outside. Okay? So when you're doing 2 sine of some angle into cos of some angle, when that cos is bigger, then it will always be sine a plus b minus sine a minus b. Okay?
Okay.
But sometimes it might be in form of very weird variables. That time I always follow like this. 2 sine something into cos of something is sine a. What is sine a plus sine sum plus sine difference? Where I take sine minus cos always. Then उसको negative करना है तो कर लो, वो अलग बात. Got it?
I didn't understand the last part.
Huh?
I didn't understand the last part.
I'm saying when I'm taking 2 sine of cos, I take the sum first and write sine. Then I take sine a minus b. Here also it is what? Sine b minus a only it is. And plus. वो मैंने change किया sine के पास. That was I'm saying. That's all I'm saying.
Okay.
Okay. Otherwise you study it like this. What directly you study like this also it's fine. But for me, when I see sine and cos, I take sine a plus b plus sine whatever angle it is, that minus cos. And then whatever I want to do, मैं मन में ऐसे directly करके, if it is negative, if it is a number, it's negative, I directly write the negative. If it is something else, उस हिसाब से I will do. That is automatically comes for me. Whatever is comfortable for you. Okay? Okay. Now, so this is the first. This we call product to sum. Can you see? Product को sum में convert कर रहा है. This is a product and this is sum. Product to sum. Okay. Here you can think, what will happen if you add?
That one will sign will cancel.
So 2 cos A into cos B. So when it's multiplication of 2 cos and cos B, it is always cos very easy. Cos A plus B plus
cos B A minus B.
Now, listen, this is very important. Listen. When there is a minus, what will happen? Problem hai. Because both will be negative. It is weird. So I will subtract this equation from the previous niche wala. Okay. So what will happen? I want 2 sin A sin B. If I want 2 sin A sin B, what should I do?
Cos A minus B minus
cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So this is a little bit different. So you put an asterisk. Thora different. So when there is product of 2 sine, you take cos A minus B, that will be bigger. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Okay. So write these 4 formulas. Then we'll do sum or difference to product. This is product to sum or difference.
Done.
Done. Now what I'm doing is, I'm taking a plus b as c and a minus b as d. Okay, so you simultaneously solve it. What you will get, a added to a is equal to c plus b, to a is equal to c plus d by 2.
Yeah.
So b will become c minus d by 2, if you understood. If you subtract, it will come like this, c minus d by 2. Okay, now substitute it in the first equation. How it will look? I'll take the right hand side to the left hand side, because we want to do now sum to sum difference. I have to convert into product. So I want the right hand side now in my left hand side. Okay. Okay. So instead of sine a plus b, what will I write? Sine c. Sine c plus sine d is 2 sine a. Sine a के बदले I'll write
c plus d by 2.
Yeah. And cos c minus d by 2. Like that, similarly, sine c minus sine d. For the next equation, it will be 2. I'll write cos first.
Minus.
Or I can write sine also, no problem. Okay. So cos c plus d by 2 into sine c minus d by 2. So how I remember is sine c plus d, I write 2 sine. First I'll write sine only for me. I will always write sine first. Then c plus d by 2 I'll keep. And obviously cos should be the negative. Here, sine c minus d aega to
c plus d.
Sine 2 sine c minus d by 2. I'll write this first. And then cos will be the positive. The sign change karna. That's all. Okay. Then what about this? Cos c plus cos d will be 2 cos. Only both will be cos only. C plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. There's a d here, sorry. Okay. Then cos c minus d. This is very important. Just see this. Cos c minus cos d. Here it is a minus b I have taken as d. Okay. So here it is cos d minus cos c. But I want cos c minus cos d. So I take a negative common. Okay. So I'll put a negative sign already. Okay. Then whatever you write here, 2 sine c plus d by 2 into sine c minus d by 2. Some textbooks they write directly c minus d ke badle ye 2 minus r ke badle d minus c. I prefer putting minus outside and keep, because I know already कि इसमें एक asterisk है, तो इसमें भी कुछ गड़बड़ है. So this is some difference to product. Here.
Yeah.
Written this also.
Yeah.
So this 4 plus 4 plus 4. 12 formulas you should know.
Okay.
Malab, it should be in your fingertips. I know we are deriving it from the other one. All are derived only. All are derived. But you cannot sit and derive it in the paper. So that is why we tell this 12 formulas should be in your fingertips. Okay. So Monday I will ask you this. It should be in your fingertips. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you have written this. With the help of that, we'll do that one ratio C and D question. Take it down along with me. Tan A plus B is equal to 3 tan A. Prove that see sometimes the proof that will be very hard. Listen, sometimes the proof that will be little hard. Okay, and the if question here from here to here, it's I don't know, you can do it, but it will be little tedious. So I would prefer in this question that you take this condition and prove this. Means the same.
Okay.
Okay, try. Did you start like this, bringing sine b down?
No. I did sine 2a. Like I expanded that, and then
No expanded. No. Use componente differendo.
okay.
So that's why I taught you the formulas now. 2a plus b plus sine b divided by sine 2a plus b minus sine b is equal to 2 by 1. So this is my like sine c plus sine d. Remember?
Hmm.
So what was sine c plus sine d? 2
Sine
sine,
c plus 2
yeah,
sine c
c
plus
plus
d
d.
by
Now
d.
you should get the hang of it. C plus d added man में added. What is c plus d?
2a
2a
plus 2b.
plus 2b. Correct?
2
उसका आधा क्या है? A
a
plus
plus
b.
b.
So directly you can write a plus b. Like that you have to start doing. Okay. Then c minus d. So this will get cancelled.
Hmm.
Correct? So directly sine 2a. 2a का आधा
A.
a. So direct cos a. Okay.
Hmm.
Now sine again sine c again sine it will be sine difference sine of the difference by 2, that is sine a, and cos of the other angle.
Cos a
Since
plus b.
super you know how it worked, niche it's very easy.
2
Okay,
cancel.
is equal to अरे this I forgot to do c and d. Okay, 2 plus 1
2 minus
ये 3
1.
हो गया.
3.
Okay, ये 2 cancel. ये मुझे पता है क्या है. What is
Tan
it?
a plus
Tan
b
a plus b.
by tan a.
Yeah, so that this cos can go down like
Huh.
this. So sin a by cos a is tan a. I think you got it, no?
Yeah.
I think you got
Okay.
it. Yeah. Great. So if you want to prove it, you can think reverse what I did. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. So what will you think? You got this, then you multiply 2.
Hmm.
You know? Now it is what? It is in product form. You will make it in this form.
Some.
Then you apply C and D, you will get this. वैसे भी सोच सकते हो. Sometimes it's easy. Okay, you here also you can do it back. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You want logarithm का again second basic test, or you want to start little bit with logarithmic inequations? Inequalities.
Anything works.
Basic.
Anything works.
Okay, I'll give the basic first, second, and then we'll do a little bit inequalities. Then we'll come to good questions of logarithm. Essay. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, done.
Done.
Hmm.
Tomorrow I'll ask you the 12 formulas, anything in between. Okay. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Welcome.